Hi everyone. In this video, I will show you how to get access to American Netflix in the UK. So follow my steps to get this method right. To get access to American Netflix, you should trick the Netflix website that you are in America, and that's by using a VPN. In the description, I will leave a link to NordVPN, which is the king of VPNs worldwide, and it's the best choice for accessing American Netflix from anywhere in the world. It has the fastest speeds available, and it's one of the few that are working. So, what you need to do is to open NordVPN, and then you should search for the USA, and then you select it. As you can see, it says that I am connected. And once done, you should refresh the Netflix website. And that's it. As you can see, you can watch all the American movies and TV shows with no problems. And when you scroll down, of course, you can see the top 10 films in the US. I will leave a link in the description and in the first comment so you can have 63% off NordVPN, which is again the best VPN provider. And also, you get a 3 extra months for free with 30 days money back guarantee. So make sure to give it a chance by clicking on the link in the description and in the pinned comment. And thank you guys for watching. Hope that this helps you. If you want to see more tutorials, subscribe to our channel. See you in the next one.